So what's up, you guys? So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a paper using this silver paper. I have a big giant silver paper over here. I don't know what's this called, but I have a giant silver paper here, and I have a rubber band ball here. I don't know if much of you know how to make this rubber band ball, but definitely in the next video I'm going to teach you guys how to make a rubber band ball. But before this video gets started, make sure you guys like and subscribe. Let's get started. So what we're going to do is we're going to make a rubber band ball first. I'm going to tell you a simple way how to make. Get this silver paper, another one, crush it, and then attach rubber bands around it until it becomes this size. It should be part of your finger. It should be fit like this. You cannot go like this big. It should be fitting like this. So after that, what you can do is get another silver paper like this. Okay, you can get another silver paper like this, and then what you can do is place the ball right in the middle. Make sure it's in the middle, and then what you can do is you can roll it up like this and completely cover the ball like this. Now you can see the ball, right? You can't see the ball. So after that, you can just wrap it around like this. Like this, you can wrap it around, and then you can get a hammer like the hammer, and then you can knock it until it gets the shape of that ball. Yes, like that. So just like that, you can start hitting it. You can technically feel where's the ball. Try feeling it. I feel it's here. It's right in this spot. I'm gonna try hitting these parts so it gets in. I think we should tear a little bit because this is a lot. Okay, so we'll get a scissor. So here guys, I got a scissor here. I'm going to cut this off because it's a lot of silver paper. You see I'm cutting it. Oh, barely I'm cutting it. Okay, we got this part out, and now it's in perfect shape to make it as a ball. Just like that, you can keep hitting it. And try making the ball shape. Like, right over here. And then here. So I think this is still a lot more. So I'm going to cutting. If you guys are fine with it, you can upload it. So cutted it. Let's hit it. Okay, so I cut it a lot, so I'm going to cover it since it is a lot. Cover it by like a coating. There's still a lot of gap. Okay, so even though there's a gap, you can still manage to get it as a ball. I'll tell you how. See, look here. You can see a lot of gap here. You can see the rubber band ball, but you don't need to worry that because you just take a part of it, this much, and you can just like cover it with it as if nothing had happened, and then you can start hitting at it to get attached. So just like that. Like that, you can keep hitting it. And now is the more important part, because now we're going to taping the ball so it looks like a real ball. So I'm going to get the tape. Make sure you guys stay here. So we got the tape. We're going to take this tape. Okay. We have tape here. I will cut the first because it's close to that. And now we're going to start wrapping the ball around like this. You can keep wrapping the ball around. But now my tape has gotten over. So what I'm going to do is take this tape and throw it in the dustbin. So yeah, so I barely covered it. I'm going to go get more tape right here. I got more tape. Let's make it. Now we need to cover the whole green up. So let's be. Half of the tape will get over due to this. So let's go. Just like that, you can cover it and you can cut. And after that, try hitting with a hammer to get the shape. Now wrap more silver paper on it. Just like that. Now you can get even more of silver paper. You can get like this much. And you can wrap it around over here. I think this is way too much, so I'm going to take less. Just like that, you can do that, and then you can take the tape back again and start covering it again like that. You can wrap it around just like that. So we are finally done with the ball. Just like that, you can make a ball out of that really bounces. So even if you want, you can even make that ball. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Bye guys.